Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Unplug the washer and shut off water. Once done, move the machine away from the wall enough to reach the rear panel. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the lower right access cover. Keep screws in a small container. You'll see the Ultrafresh Vent assembly. This is where lint and residue collect. Make sure to have a towel and bucket ready because some residual water may drip when you open the vent housing. Now you clean and inspect the interior components. Remove the vent cover and carefully pull out lint, mold, and trapped debris. Once clear, inspect the rubber gasket and screen for tears or hardened buildup. These reduce airflow and freshening performance. Use a soft brush with mild detergent to scrub surfaces, then rinse and dry thoroughly. Avoid harsh solvents that damage plastics. If the fan or motor area looks stiff, rotate it by hand to confirm free movement before reassembly. You finish by reassembling the vent and restoring power and water. Once reattached, run a short Ultrafresh or standard cycle to verify improved airflow and odor reduction. Listen for smooth fan rotation and watch for leaks. If odors persist or the vent sounds strained, make sure hoses aren't kinked or blocked and recheck the gasket seal. Replace the gasket if brittle. If problems continue, document what you tried and contact G.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.